Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's your Thursday morning executive summary. Memory chip stocks took a hit on weak earnings, but Micron dodged the worst of the sell-off. Bond strategists warn higher yields are here to stay as rising issuance and falling demand reshape fixed income. Political battles heat up over a $300 million guaranteed income program in Michigan, while Senator Mitch McConnell's ongoing absence threatens key Republican priorities. Let's break it down. Micron Technology fell just 1.3% Thursday, a modest decline compared to broader memory chip sector carnage. SanDisk cratered 6.8% following disappointing earnings, dragging Western Digital down with it. Micron's diversified exposure and stronger positioning in high-bandwidth memory for AI applications helped it weather the storm. Watch for continued rotation towards specialized chips with pricing power. Now to fixed income, where the narrative is shifting fast. Rosenberg Research senior strategist Mehmet Birkaran lays out three factors creating a toxic combination: rising issuance, falling demand, and policy uncertainty. Real rates on 30-year U.S. bonds have jumped from 0 to 3% over just 4 years, reflecting fundamental supply-demand imbalances. Governments are issuing more debt while buyers are pulling back. For equity investors, persistently higher yields mean pressure on valuation multiples, especially for growth stocks. Turning to politics with market implications, Michigan House Speaker Matt Hall is demanding accountability for the state's RX Kids program, a $300 million plus taxpayer-funded initiative that's become a guaranteed income experiment. The program hands out $1,500 lump sum to pregnant women and $500 monthly after birth, with no income verification and no citizenship requirements. Program officials admitted payments went to people not legally present in the U.S. Recipients aren't required to spend funds on pregnancy or child-related expenses. House Republicans stripped future funding from the new budget. Watch whether other states adopt similar programs or pull back amid scrutiny. Senator Mitch McConnell announced Thursday he's been discharged from rehab following his mid-June fall, but will continue recovery at home. McConnell's absence has stalled Todd Blanche's Attorney General confirmation and other key Republican priorities. With Senator Lisa Murkowski already opposing Blanche and McConnell unable to vote, Republicans can't afford another defection. The longer confirmations drag, the longer policy uncertainty persists around Justice Department priorities. President Trump signed 2 executive orders Thursday targeting birthright citizenship and birth tourism after the Supreme Court blocked his earlier attempt. The first order expands categories of people ineligible for automatic citizenship. The second targets birth tourism, denying visas to foreigners traveling to the U.S. to give birth and make their children automatic citizens. Expect immediate legal challenges. Bottom line for traders, memory chip weakness is sector-specific, but watch for contagion if demand signals deteriorate. Bond markets are repricing for a higher yield regime, which pressures equity valuations. Political uncertainty around confirmations and immigration policy keeps volatility elevated. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.